Day 3 on our survival expedition. As if you've been watching my previous videos, you'll see that I've took a rookie who's never done none of this stuff before up in the Highlands of Scotland, and we've been living off the land. The last 2 days we've been living in a lean-to a bit further north in Dines. We've moved an hour down south to a different area, and he's going to have to build a different shelter. Today we're going to start building A-frames, a small little debris hut, tiny, not comfy, and I'm going to get him stuck in there, so make sure you stay on this video. Right, that's us now. Me and Mickey are going to a totally different area now. We've moved from the top of Scotland and we're going to be living in a different shelter today. He's had his nice lean-to. Today he's making an A-frame, a small, secluded, tiny A-frame with no sleeping bag tonight.
No sleeping bag.
And that's what it's all about. Make sure you tune in to see if he survives. How are you feeling?
Oh, good. Exhausted, like only hiked 10 metres.
That should be a good one today, lad.
3 puddles, 3 from that as well.
Yeah.
You had loads of, I had loads of people on there. I don't even know what socials it was. Oh yeah.
Yeah, video when you lad, seeing how you're feeling.
Yeah, all good. But I had loads of people trying to correct me on the socials, and you saying like where he was getting the water from, you know, off the rocks.
Yeah.
He's going to go upstream. I was like, but they could be dead animals, animal piss,
yeah,
shit, and they're like, no, go upstream.
Yeah, so when you do get water, obviously we're filtering it and boiling it. If you're just drinking from the water, you go as far as you can upstream. We were at the top of a mountain,
yeah,
as we were anyway.
Yeah.
But maybe we could have went another 10 metres, but you'd be walking forever, lads. But I told you this, you never know if there's going to be dead animals in the water. You've got to go upstream as much as you can. We were upstream, we were in a forest at the top of the hill. There was a little bit more, but you collect off the rocks, so that's going to filter it, and we're boiling it.
Yeah. It's got to be proper boil, though, hasn't it?
Yeah. Big bubbles, no troubles.
Big bubbles, no troubles.
So we found our area now where we're going to be surviving. Look at that. Fucking sound in here. Right, that's us now. We've picked a decent area. We're just going to start building. That's our water source now for the next 24 hours. I know it's a bit of a bog, but there's no running water around anywhere here unless we walk for miles where we've come from. But this is what survival's all about. This is what we've got. We're just going to scoop it up, boil it. The good thing is though, it's loaded with moss. Moss is covered in iodine. Iodine filters and cleans water anyway, so that's absolutely spot on for us. But still, we're going to boil it. Remember, when you get water like this, big bubbles, no troubles. And if Mickey doesn't clean his water properly, he's probably going to get the shits.
We're on.
So what we're doing now, like, I'm going to be making an A-frame. So I'm making the span, then Mickey's going to do the same. All I'm cutting down is 3 inches, no more than 3 inches wide. And taking all the spine off it, taking all the branches off it, that can be my bedding. Now this is going to be my main span of the structure. Then I'm going to get another 2 up to my chest height, cross them over, and that's going to be the front. So stay tuned, and Mickey's going to be doing his in a minute.
You know this.
That's the first beam cleaned off. Now just cleaning off the second beam. Looking forward to getting the structure into place. A-frame. That's it now, I'm on my last part of my frame. Then that's my skeleton done in my shelter. I'm looking forward to seeing this finished. That's Mickey starting on his span now, getting straight to work.
That's sound that, innit?
Yeah, spot on, mate. He's not hanging around, he's taking everything on board. He's getting stuck in. And like I said on my YouTube, he's a complete novice and he's smashing it. You enjoying yourself, Mickey?
Yeah, boss, I'm loving it, but I'm absolutely loving every second of it.
Right, here's the door of the frame now. That's how I'll be crawling in. Now Mickey's just setting his up now as well. So this is where we're getting our cord from. So when you go under spruce and pine, you get good roots. So you just dig a bit lower, pulling all the moss back till my fingers capture a thick root. So see here now, I've got one, and I'm going to be nice and gentle with it, and I'm going to follow it as far as I can. I've ripped that one, but that's our cordage. We're using stuff like that just by, there's a good strong one here. See my hands here now? I want to follow it nice and gentle, prizing all the dirt off it and see how far I can take it. And all this moss I'm pulling up, this is going to go all over my shelter. I'm just following this, look at that. So this is the length I've got so far of my roots. So my camera can showing you it properly. Oh yeah, there we go. So that's my length I've got so far, and I'm just going to keep following it. The furthest I can take it, just prizing all the moss off it. And I want to keep it as long as I can. And look at that, there's another root, a decent root round it as well. 2 for the price of 1. 2 for the price of 1. There's one of the roots I just pulled out. I'll use that for cordage, and this one's a good one. And that's 2 for the price of 1. Right, starting to do one side of the shelter now. Mickey's got his skeleton. Getting there. I've got to put spruce all around it. And when spruce is all around it, I've got to put all moss all over it so there's no daylight. Right, so that's one side of my shelter coming on well. Got the skeleton in there. Now I've put all the spruce on there and pine. And what I'm doing now, I'm starting off at the bottom with moss. And as you can see now, Mickey's side is smashing it. How are you feeling with your shelter so far?
I'm getting there. It's not like Steve's, mine's like skinny. Steve's is like flat.
That's when you started.
Yeah.
So what I'm doing now is just putting all the moss on there. But it's quite easy to do. Onto a patch of it, you just roll it off like carpet. That's what I'm doing, grabbing loads of it. I'm just sticking it round the bottom. And I'm going to start from the bottom to the top. The reason being is we're going to make it like tiles of a roof, so the rain runs down it and it's all overlapping the moss. And that's all we're doing now. And I've got to cover the whole shelter.
Steve's just out there like just ripping it apart, and I'm like so behind. But I'm a rookie.
Looking good, isn't it?
Yeah, boss.
I think that's all done.
Belter.
Coming on my shelter, just loading up all the moss on it now. Looking cool, isn't it? Mickey's getting on with his. He's got all his spruce on it and pine. He's just got to load it all up with moss. We're getting there. Mine's nearly all done now. Got a bit more moss to load all over it. You see it's pissing down here as well. We're quite protected in the woods, but it's still pissing down. Mickey's getting on with his. He's done one half it now with all the spruce and halfway up with the moss. But he's doing really well, proud of him. Like. It's going to be a good little 6 setup. The weather's not the best, but this is a survival challenge. It's going to push Mickey out of his comfort zone, and that's what he wants. Tonight I've took a sleeping bag off him. He's got no tarp, no poncho going over anything. It's just him and his wits. I'm going to take it in there and I'll show you the setup. Mickey's finally finished his shelter. We'll give him a break. I was away on a phone call, so I'll let him just crack on with no pressure from me. So as you can see, he's still got his fishing net to complete. He's got that to do. And he's getting there. to the shelter now. Looking good, isn't it? Done well. All moshed up now. He's done well. Proud of him. And obviously this is my shelter. Gonna have a fire in the middle here. That's all my kit in there now. That's it fully set up, sleeping bag, roll mat. So it's not perfectly dry in here, some drips coming through. But this is a survival shelter. It's not meant to be perfect. It's keeping me out the elements. Our priority now is to start collecting firewood. So when he gets back, we need to start looking at getting firewood, ready to get a fire going, just to keep us warm. Like I said, I've took his sleeping bag off him tonight. I'm going to be nice and cosy in my sleeping bag, but he's got to get back, build a bed, get him raised off the floor because it's sopping wet, and get a fire going. Should be a fun night. Right, Mickey lad, what's happening next?
Right, so got my shelter done. I'm happy with it. Looks like a dinosaur back. And it's absolutely teeming down, so I need to make my bed. I've got no sleeping bag tonight. I'm not allowed. The boss has said not allowed, no sleeping bag. So I'm going to get moss. I'm going to put the moss down inside, and then I'm going to get spruce or pine.
Oh, spruce and pine, yeah?
Spruce and pine. And just make my bed base. So I'm nice and spongy. And then that's me done, then get a fire, dry off. Job a good one.
Let's go for it, lads. It's looking good though, the area. It's looking spot on, lad. Well in, Mickey. Yeah, he's doing absolutely amazing, Mickey. He's, as you can see now, he's just cracking on building his bed. Immensely proud of him for being a rookie. Never done nothing like this before. He's an experienced outdoorsman. He spends a lot of time, he lives his life outdoors in vans, cars, tents, so he knows what he's doing, but proper survival, building his own shelter, making fires. He's absolutely smashed it out the water. Our last thing to do now is just building his bed, and then we're going to settle down, and I'll get a little video of him getting tucked in, then that's us done. But like I always say on these YouTube videos, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe, help me grow my account. And I'm also on Kick as well. That's me now, just chilling in the shelter, getting out the rain a bit. Mickey's still got a bit more of his bed to do. Now with these shelters, they're not going to be perfect. Little drips are going to come through. You've got to remember it's a survival shelter. I could make it perfect, but we haven't got time. If I was staying here long term, it's an ongoing project working on survival shelters. I'd keep building on it and building on it. But you know what, it's cosy. And as you can see now, it's getting dark and Mickey's still grafting, pulling loads of spruce in, pulling loads of moss in, make his bed nice and springy. But like I said, I'm in a sleeping bag tonight, I'm being cosy, he's not. It's looking good in here now, Mickey. Yeah. Bed's starting to come up, so he's got all his moss in there now, as you can see. All the moss is in there, and all he needs to put on now is spruce, and that'll drop right down. I know it's wet, as I know some people be thinking it's wet, but you've got to remember the floor here is absolutely sopping. He's raised off. It's a lot drier on that than lying in a puddle. So then he's going to get the spruce on top of that, and then he's going to be sound.
I've lost my camera again.
Losing my camera.
Oh wait there, I'll put it away.
You can see, look, it's a survival shelter. A few drips are dropping in. It is what it is, but this is what I've got a bivvy bag for. But it's a lot warmer in here than it is out there. But all these little bits of spruce and pine hanging down, all I'll do is just tuck them all in. Just tidy it up, tuck them all in. And that's all I'm going to do now. Make it nice and neat. Tuck it all in. It's getting cold now. I'm about to get in my sleeping bag, and it's funny watching Mickey just lie there with no roll mat and no sleeping bag. But he wanted extreme survival, and he's got it.
Bed.
Well, as the lights drop now, Mickey's in there, fully cosy. How are you feeling, lad?
It's quite comfortable. I need to make a little pillow, that's it.
Yeah.
Mind you saying that.
And obviously I've told Mickey no fire, so it's going to be a lot harder. We were going to do fire, but I thought, you know what, military style, he's in a little A-frame, a tiny A-frame. I'm here with a roll mat and a sleeping bag, and I'm loving life, and he is frozen. Are you feeling alright though, warm at the minute?
Yeah, I'm alright, you know.
Give it 3 in the morning, lads, when you're doing star jumps.
Do you reckon, yeah?
Yeah.
Out doing star jumps.
I'll tell you what though, Mickey, you've absolutely smashed it, lad.
It's like, bro.
It's fucking looking good. Honestly, looking at it now, looks boss.
A little Christmas tree upstairs.
I need to get a photo of you in there like that, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, we can get photos in a minute, yeah. In our shelters.
I think I'm getting my head down.
Mate, that's you sleeping now, because I'm going to log off now as well.
Lad, this is sadness, you know.
Have you got anything to say to the viewers before I turn it off?
Yeah, thank you, Steve, for a fantastic week. I weren't expecting to learn 2 shelters.
Yeah.
I was meant to be doing a lot more things, but obviously, you know, things happened and stuff. And I've learned 2 shelters, and I'm very privileged that I've learned this and experienced it. When Steve goes, I'm going to be doing this in other parts of Scotland as well, making my own shelters and that. And, you know, staying out in a while by myself.
Where can everyone find you?
Scousers in a Van on YouTube, my Instagram, and I've got Kick and TikTok, and that's Mickey Grills with a Z. You know this.
Go and follow Mickey Grills. Peace out. It's funny looking at Mickey now. He's got no sleeping bag. He's on his moss. It's early hours in the morning. And he's frozen, and I'm lying on my sleeping bag. That's how cozy I am. I'm lying on my roll mat. Look at him laughing now, and I'm not letting him have a fire. And it's fucking pissing down as well, believe it or not.